Hi, welcome back to the Quad Matrix Q&A. And today we're going to be discussing the MOD restoration. And in these types of situations, we really benefit when our rings are stackable. And people ask, are the quad matrix or quad rings stackable? And the answer is yes. And so you're going to get two different sets of quad rings, one blue and one orange. And so in a situation like this, we are going to select the driver tip quad ring where the driver tip is on the palatal so we can split our quad wedges, and we're going to select one of those from the blue and one of those from the orange, so you can see our driver tips are on the same side. And so when we stack these rings, these are stackable largely because the blue is a bit shorter than the yellow. So in these instances, you're going to want to place the blue first on the mesial. Okay, like so. And then we'll place the orange larger ring. And the reason we're placing the orange second or on the distal is because it will have the ability to kind of reach over that blue ring and get out of its way. So you have a nice stackable situation and you are ready to restore the MOD restoration.